Hi everyone, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to help you understand the source incorporation assignment. So throughout this course, we are going to need to use summary, paraphrase, and quoting in our papers. And these are things that you've probably been introduced to before, but may need a refresher on, or may need to continue to develop some of the skills a bit more. Knowing that you've been introduced to them before, also know that I may be introducing them in a slightly new way than you may have thought about them in the past, so be open to that as well. There are a few main tasks for this assignment. The first is to read and annotate this article. You can click on it to get the article. I would recommend either printing it or putting it in a Word doc so that you can both highlight and underline things and write notes in the margins. What you're going to do then is take a picture or a scan of 2 pages from the article with your annotations and upload those. I want to see how you annotate your the things that you're reading, and I want to make sure that you're doing a thorough job. This is the one skill at the end of the class that everyone is thankful for learning and for me forcing them to do. It's also something that people are resistant to at first. So be open to it, give it a try. It will pay off down the line. Trust me. Okay, then the next thing you're going to turn in is a summary of the entire article. Keep it to 6 to 8 sentences. So you're just kind of giving me the main points of the article. Make sure you're using your own words. Make sure you start your summary with a signal phrase that has the name of the writer and the article title. The next thing you're going to submit is a paraphrase of a paragraph. Okay, so this is not an essay that you're writing for me. It's just a summary, a paraphrase, and then a Big Mac, which we'll get to in a minute. So the next thing you'll submit is a paraphrase. It's fine to put these all in the same document, just label them paraphrase so I know what it is. Also, do not mix all of this together. It is 3 separate things. One paragraph is a summary, another paragraph is a paraphrase, and another paragraph will be a Big Mac. Okay, don't mix them together. They're 3 separate things that are not related to each other for this assignment. Okay, so for the paraphrase, you're going to paraphrase the paragraph that begins with the words, "but today." So you'll find that paragraph in the essay, and make sure that you're including all the details. It's about the same length, no quotations, your own words. If you do have to use a word from the original, you do have to quote it though. But I want you to rephrase as much as you can. And then don't forget that signal phrase at the beginning. And the other thing you'll turn in is the Big Mac. You'll choose 2 quotations and then integrate it into a paragraph. I have a video here with an example and explaining how to do that, which will be helpful to you. Like I said, you can put 3, 4, and 5, these summary, paraphrase, and Big Mac into one Word document all together. Just make sure you label them so I know which is which. Okay, another important thing to look at is the rubric, right? How am I being graded? So you see here what I'm looking for as well as the point totals for each thing. Okay, let me show you one more thing before we go. If you go into the module, you'll see here it says Resources Week 1. These resources are meant to help you do this assignment. I have a resource on signal phrases in case you forget what that means, MLA format, how to annotate, strong signal phrase verbs, a sample annotation document, a sample Big Mac, as well as this video, okay? If you exhaust all the resources and you still need help, please just send me an email. Maybe I can help you via email, or maybe we need to meet and have a conference. Either way, I hope this video is helpful to you, and keep in touch if you need anything. Have a good one.